Daddy's checking bonnet. Oh, you say hi, I get Kuromi! I get Kuromi! I get Kuromi! Can I see?
The hotdog is double line and the chicken is double line.
Left.
Turn left. Honey, turn left here. There's Hachi. Welcome to Japan. Are you happy? First time Ate Boo. We're back after 9 years. Hi, Dad.
Hello.
Bunso is sleeping there. First time namin mag-long flight. Kaya, bagsak! We're here for another Dauda's adventure! Woohoo! After 9 years, we're back with Daddy.
Yay!
With
Love you,
Ai.
Yeah.
With Ai and Ate Boo. For Ate Boo's birthday.
Iba talaga dito. Nakaayos talaga, oh. Oh.
So cold?
What a beautiful sunny day. Hello. Latte.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Hihi. Bagong gising.
Show mommy what you got. What's that? Oi. We're here in Hotel Hilary's. Hi. Post naman siya. Daddy is checking in. Oh, show to the vlog. Ali, what did you got? What did you got?
Buy something.
You buy something? Hindi mo naman yung binili. Chusera ka.
Ate Big, wear your jacket properly.
Mga naglalakad na ano. Hello, we're out and about after ng kaguluhan sa hotel. Hold Ate Fin, hold Ali. There's Daddy. We're gonna find dinner place and maybe we can go to Roppongi. Daddy. Okay, it's okay. Hi, Annie, say hi. Hello. Is it cold?
Yes.
Oh, 7-Eleven! Now I see 7-Eleven. We're here in Yoshinoya having dinner.
We don't have water.
Gutom na ang mga chunkies.
No, that's hot water.
We're waiting for a food kaya hindi kasi Ate Fin kakain. There. Ang order ko, beef sukiyaki. We'll see. Show you later. Mommy's food.
Come here.
Kinuha ko daw yung food niya. Okay. Let's eat.
Let's go.
Daddy, I want.
It's hot pa.
May chismis ako paano kainin yung sukiyaki sa kanila.
Eat. It's hot.
So, bigit mo.
Diba?
Bigit mo dito sa itlogers.
Good?
And then,
Okay, kumain ka.
kain ka na ng rice.
Daddy, I want.
Okay, you can help. Just eat it.
Kanya na. Dahil. Alison.
Stop.
See, this is Harry Potter. For the fans of Harry Potter. We're just walking after mag-dinner. Here in Akasaka. Harry Potter for the Harry Potter fans. This one. Harry Potter Gate, Potter Street. Kahit na hindi ako Harry Potter fan. Okay. Picture ko daw siya. Wait. Tell me you're in Japan without telling me you're in Japan. It's this one. Bo, sino nga ba to? Sino to? Si Golem. It's Golem. Mas matangkad ka pa kay Golem. Okay, we're trying to go to Roppongi. Okay, we're here now. Buying ticket. Adult. Ha? Hindi natin alam pa. Tisyo nga. Oh my G.
Wait.
Ang laki naman yan.
Wala naman tayo ng
Ah, okay. Oh, go.
Kasi may cash. Dito sa cash. Ito, bill.
Ito. Okay.
That's 3.
Asan sukli?
Ito na, akin na natin.
Yan ang sukli?
Akin na yung sukli. Akin na yung sukli.
Diyos ko, kagulo na. We're going to Nogizaka. This one. We're gonna go this way. See Akasaka. Uy, dito tayo.
But there's money to put.
Mami, there's
Tickets to put po.
Sa lukuyan po kaming hinahanap ang Roppongi. Walaan kung saan mapupunta. Yeah, tulog si Ali. And we're just walking around the streets of Asakasa. Ayo!
We are looking for Roppongi. Roppongi-ers. Mali kami ata nang na-exit. Yes, ate. So, we're looking for the main street where the people are. Daddy, oh, ganda.
End up, 7-Eleven. Habang tulog sa bunso, hindi kami natuloy sa Roppongi. Pagod na. Ayan, namili ng konti. Tubig.
Hi, vlog!
Daddy checking bonnet.
Daddy's checking bonnet. Oh, you say hi muna kay Mami. Hi! Turn around, turn around. Show your damit. Wow! It's our day. Say mo, day 2. Day 2. Daddy and Ate is getting bonnet for Ate Finfin. Hi! Okay. O, say bye-bye.
Bye.
O, ano na, napalit na ang posisyon. Ate Finfin is the one in the stroller. Oh dear. Daddy. Go, Daddy, go. You okay? Walking in Omotesando. Hi, Dad. How was your lifting experience?
Easy.
Easy. Naghahanap pa kami ng kakainan. Hindi pa kami kumakain ng pecha. Oh, it's a falling tree.
Lunch na eh.
Yeah, lunch.
Ate, wag mo na umpusin
The
yan.
trees
Kaya alis na.
the leaves are falling.
Eh,
Ooh.
burger.
Nahanap kami ng matinong restaurant kasi kagabi gulo ang nangyari. Kailangan may upuan si Allison. No, Dad?
Yeah, mami ako Grand Seiko.
Ooh. Where are we? Get down to the vlog.
This one.
Mommy, can you give me seaweed? Later po, ate. That's in the ramen. We're eating. Are you eating seaweed? Say hi, guys. Tell to the vlog, where are you? Okay, let's check Ate Pete. Okay? Hello, Ate. Where are we?
In Japan.
Omotesando.
The sandal.
There's Daddy. Flex. Ayun. We're here grabbing
Mommy, how?
lunch slash breakfast.
Mommy, how?
Okay. Here's our food. First food, ramen. And Daddy ordered karage.
Brunch.
Happy ang isang bata. May seaweed. Eating time?
Okay, thank you, Lord. Our first proper meal. Mami. Hello, ate. Say hi. Say ate. First proper meal. Bago maglakaran. 10,000 step. Okay na. Pwede na masunugin.
Oli. I give you some. No, you must hold it here. Oli. Hold it here.
Faster, ate.
I want.
Ikaw din?
Okay.
I saw you today, and things haven't changed, I'm lost again. I've searched for ways,
Again, to the kabilang side. Daddy.
Come, let's go inside here. Let's see.
Finn, let's go. Finn. Go. Si Ali naka. Look at Ali, so cute. Naka-gloves. Biglang lumamig.
Mamig kulipig dito. Ayun na po. Habang tulog si baby. Muffin. Eh. Don't be shy, ate. Thank you.
We're back. Takashita Street.
Ayan o. Kita mo na?
Hi, Dad. Ali. Ali.
I saw you today,
Oh, we don't have picture yet.
haven't changed, I'm lost again.
instead of
Hinahanap namin
cotton
ni
candy.
Daddy yung same place for the crepe last time.
Ayun no.
And here we go!
Ayun na, tama yung ano.
We found it!
Ayun, doon.
Ito, di ba?
Oh.
The same crepe place. Yan yun! Yehey! Daddy, we're back! Oh, choose ate. Sweet box. Sana.
It's so far away. I miss the light of days with you.
Crepe time! Is it yummy, ate? Is it yummy? Yummy? It's the same crepe that we eat ni Daddy. Eating crepe! Sugar mom. How about Ali? Is it good? Good? Hindi mo si Ali, uy! Sko, nababaliw na kami dito sa Panchinko Ball. Panchinko Ball. I saw cinnamon roll, ate. Doon. Ito gusto ko. I want this one. Oh, go.
Here's for you.
Wow! For mommy! Okay. Hold muna, Dad. Later natin bubuksan. What did you get?
I get Karomi.
Can I see?
I get Karomi.
Wow! How sure? Oo nga, no? Ang galing mo.
Yes, I got my Karomi.
Show that. Daddy! We check if there's Polly Pocket. Yan, nabaliw na dito sa Panchinko Ball.
Okay.
What did you got? Yung parang ano.
Pizza na
Meron na
mapal.
kami. Oh, show yours. Nabaliw na kami sa Panchinko Ball. So, maghahanap kami ng Polly Pocket.
Ano yung cotton candy niya, no?
Saan?
Ayun no.
She wanted cotton candy. We need to queue, ate. Oh, ang haba. Kapila kami sa cotton candy. Apakahaba. You see? Paikot pa yan dun. Now, we are on the hunt for Polly Pocket. No? Yes. Since you got your Kurumi na, I need to find my Polly Pocket for me and Nini. Right?
How do you put it on?
Thank you. Thank you. Pin. Pin, wait lang.
Hey, ate! Say hi, ate!
Things haven't changed, I'm lost again.
Ate!
I've searched for ways so I can see you now and then.
Wait po.
was forgetting that you were running wild.
Yun na sila!
I try not to let things keep going for miles. If all you ever said was mine,
Bawal tayo dito, bawal tayo
tell me
dito.
would I be the
Ayun,
one
bawal.
who still came running.
Atmos.
We're here in Harajuku. Yay! We're back. Ate Finn, dito mo binili yung sapatos mo?
Oh, yung dito sa Bukana.
Yeah.
Yung leather.
Ano ba?
Yung leather na shoes.
Say with me, kanamachi kerabana gazarasa. Kanamachi kerabana zara.
Sunaite.
Alam mo, mga pinupuntahan natin, yung mga inanuhan din natin dati, no?
Yeah. Here it is.
Aba, basa. Yan, dyan lang binili ni.
Maganda. Hello guys, good evening. Currently, we will be having a dinner dito sa Spontini. Si ate, si mami, order na. Si Bunsoy ay tulog. Damage has been done. There. We're eating a good pizza, hopefully. Bye.
We're here in pizza! On Spontini. Kita namin to sa Instagram. Yes. Malaking pizza. See that one? See the kamay.
Ito pala. Tissue.
Daddy's request. Spontini pizza. Let's try now the pizza. Pizza party. Pizza party. I don't know. I said no. No. Missing na ang Bunsoy.
Apple. One apple?
Miss mo? Asparagus?
Oh, it's okay. How was it? Spontini. May sus, ang dalawa naman. Okay, thank you, ate. Oh, thank you daw. Okay. Yum? Yummy? Ay, sus, napaka-sweet naman talaga. Yay! Choco Cross. It's our favorite. It's a welcome back daw.
Yeah.
See the croissant inside. Can I see? See?
Keep it down below.
No, I'm gonna throw it. What daddy? Daddy opens mine.
Yeah.
It's daddy's.
My gosh. I'm on a hunting for the Polly Pocket capsule. Yung ata ng mga utal dito yun eh. You can help me. Help me to find. Oh. Bakit nila sila sold out? Hindi na kayo nagtira. We're eating again! Daddy, baka masubo na.
Alisol. Oh, hold.
Hold it. Bite, small bite. Oh, it's so cold. Yum. Good. Bite. Mommy. Me. Yum.
Ate, wag kang mag-aslaw ha.
Look. Tomorrow, Mommy. Tomorrow. Trip in Harajuku. Ayun ang mag-aama. No, it's okay. Oy! Buying dessert. Ami's here.
Kami gusto mo strawberry milk.
Milk.
Strawberry milk.
Ano binili nyo? Ano yun? Is it cold? Cold or hot? It's just... Oh, after mo yan.
I wanna house.
Crunchy.
I wanna house.
Crunchy. Yummy? Sugar rush na naman. Mami, mami.
Sa yung ano?
Mami, mami.
Sa Singapore, meron nito pero hindi namin pinapansin.
Crab. Crab.
Ate, can you wait?
Hello. First time mag-taxi. Kasi mahaba ang lalakarin ni Chick.
Sino? May Ate Fin?
Only touch this one.
Okay. You know, dati, 9 years ago, hindi kami nag-taxi.
The boy said no.
Oh, the boys.
The boy said no.
Magkaiba tayo ng sinasabi, Ali, ano? Because we have this tubuling gate, we need to take taxi na para umuwi. Kasi mahaba pa ang aming lalakarin.
Mommy, this one can move.
Nagreklamo na yung isa.
Me.
Yes.
Me.
Yes.
No.
See the taxi.
Okay,
Tomorrow.
guys.
Okay, guys. Tomorrow.
This is no. This is touch. Mommy, Polly, touch. Every mommy, touch. Poo, mommy.
Okay. Tomorrow, another adventure. No?
Yeah, tomorrow another adventure. Long adventure. Mommy,
Okay. No. Later. So, tomorrow, another adventure, no?
Mommy.
We might come back at this place. Same place. Okay, say bye, vlog.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Good night.
See you
Good night.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. I hope mommy
Toodles.
will not forget to vlog all day tomorrow.
Yes.
Because yesterday and nowadays she never vlogged
Magdanong or
all
ito.
day. So
Yes.
tomorrow let's vlog all day. When we are walking, you must vlog.
Okay.
And mommy make a vlog with Japan.
Okay.
With our family.
Okay. Say good night.
Good night. Good night. Good night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Tomorrow again. Oh, sleep na. Sleep nga naman siya yun. Loka talaga. Hello. Time check. It's 1:36 Japan time. Tulog na yung dalawa. Si Chunky. As usual. Naglalabers. Batch by batch. So si Chunky taking the opportunity to clean the malibaggers. They will wake up early because Ate Finfin said she wants to stretch the whole day. Okay. Churros.
Good morning! Good morning! Good morning guys!
Hey, Mary.
Busy siya mag-finger family.
Gala uli. Bye!
Okay, na kay Meiji Jingu may shrine na tayo. Guess what? Sabi ni Mami, sabi ni Bianquita Explorer, magbabas daw kami. Magte-train and bus. Pero, so nag-taxi na lang kami kasi malayo. Ang ending, andito lang pala. Sa may Omotesando. Kung saan kami galing kahapon. Well, at least it saved time. That's the positive. Ate Finn, dito tayo pupunta. Oh. Daddy, ito ang nagdadrive, di niya alam saan pupunta. Okay, hi. Say hi, Ali.
Hello!
Okay, we're gonna go to the Meiji Jingu Shrine. I don't know kung anong tawag dito, pero
Ate, wag ka dyan. Alison! Alison! Sorry. Ali! Diyan na kami kumain, hindi na namin nakapakita sa inyo. Ito yung pagkain namin ito. Yan. Tsaka to. Eh ngayon, paubos na eh. Kain.
The Kyoto Inokashira Line, the Ginza Subway Line, the Hanzobo Subway Line, and the Sushi Subway Line.
careful. Going Shibuya to see Hachiko.
Elevator.
Yeah?
Yeah!
Ate Finn, careful ha. We're here in Shibuya. Where's Hachiko? Huh? Where? There. Where?
Dito naman po kami sa Pangchingkobo. Naghahanap ng Polly Pocket. Nakita mo na si Polly Pocket? Lapanin.
Wait, I got Scott. Yeah. Okay. Mommy, I want this one. I got Scott, okay? Bigay mo sa kanya. Ali, ayun na.
Mag-away pa. Okay, oh, sit down. Sit down. Sit down na dun. Meron ka ng buhay.
You have your ano, panchinkable na. Ayan, naka-panchinkable ka na.
Okay, okay.
Alin? Kanin ko lang nito eh.
Dapat mag-ano ka, Dad? Same taste.
Halika, it melts in your mouth.
Melts in your mouth. First time on the bus. Oh, ayun na naman, nag-away na naman po. Here. Okay. After
Success!
After 2 tries, dito na kami. Butik na sumuko kanina. So, nagbus kami for the first time. And we're here. Okay, see you later.
Left.
Turn left. Ali, turn left here. Huh? Where are you going, Ali? You see Rapongi? Oh, Rapongi. See Rapongi? Kalbo. Oh! Oh no, we're here. There's a big spider.
Isang mabilisan po at napalaban si Ali. Mami, say hi. Thank you po Lord for everything. Kain na, late dinner.
Mommy and Daddy's favorite now. Ali's favorite too. What's that?
Soba.
Soba.
Saba.
Soba.
Ate, you want to try? Ayun, no, TV to.
Yummy. Yummy soba?
Yeah.
Ali,
Ali,
say soba. What's your favorite now? Soba.
Saba.
Soba. Yummy? Yeah. Good morning. It's day 3. Day 4 pala. So, check out na kami dito. Pero pupunta muna kami ng Ginza. Iniwan muna namin yung luggage. And then, babalik kami. And then, later ng hapon, punta na kami sa malapit sa Disneyland. Yes?
kano yung ano natin, vlog?
Wala. Walang available.
Try ko yung vlog. Kung meron dito vlog.
This one, it's so fluffy. Hi. Medyo naambon, pero patapos na. According kay weather report. Morning! We're here now in Ginza. Medyo umuulan ng konti. Hindi ulan. Drizzling. See, the Uniqlo, it's so laki. Uniqlo! Ate Pin.
Mommy, what is mean to private?
Private?
Yeah.
It's like,
Mommy.
it's a private.
Do you remember? Do you remember yesterday I won?
Ali! Ali is eating apple.
Mommy.
Hi! With amos ka pa.
In the
Hi,
second.
Dad.
In the second day.
Ano?
In the second day.
Yan, sleep.
Ate. Ate Pin. order?
This is hello.
What did you order, Ali?
Namin dito ko nilagay yung
What do you want?
I want pencil. No, this is mommy coffee.
Ah, mommy coffee. How about Ali? What about Ali? What about Ali's order?
Where's the fun?
Mommy.
I'm looking for
The fun?
Sit down na, sit down. The ate will galit.
tutulog si Alice. Si Mama hindi tulog. Ayun. Candy. Chips.
電車とホームの間に広く空いているところがあります。足元にご注意ください。1番線の電車は
One more.
Pagod na siya. Yun.
One more.
May isa pa. Wait.
Oh, 50 ng grego. Press. Yep. So, yeah.
Good evening. We're here now in the second hotel. We're in Brighton. Brighton Hotel. Urias. Medyo stress kami kasi wala kami makitang transport going here from Asakasa. Buti na lang si Chunky nakabook. See, this one is nicer. Yung una, masikip. Talagang super close namin family doon. Dito talaga.
Hello guys. Say hello guys.
Hello guys. So we're gonna be here for 3 nights. Kasi tomorrow is Ate Finfin's birthday. And Disneyland kami tomorrow. And then the next day, Disney Sea. Meow. So excited for the Turtles adventure.
Wala daw sa room, kaya nangongolekta, no? Ali. Okay. Sumakses? Turn right. Saan? Okay. You're gonna put it, ate.
Oh my god. Look at this.
Go.
Labas na natin yung damit.
Ate.
Salamat naman.
Ay, salamat.
Salamat naman, Diyos ko.
Ay, Diyos ko, malaki-laki yung mga ano natin.
Si pare.
Sa pare.
Salamat, Lord.
Ay, salamat.
mall tapat ng hotel namin for the Disneyland. Not bad. Not bad talaga. Oh, yun lang ang hotel namin, oh. Ay, ito pala hotel namin. Tumawid lang kami. Ito na, mall na.
Mommy.
Okay. My first time mag KFC. Ate Finfin's food is KFC. Yes, and this is Mommy's dinner, the Ikinari steak. We're here in the food court. There, Dad is ordering there. In fairness, food court na lang kami kasi sure bet naman na masarap. You know? Ali! Yes, we're eating. What are we eating? Ang sarap ng food ko. This one. Panalo. How about Ali? What are you eating? Udon. Say udon.
Adam.
Is your udon yummy? Oh, see? She wants sabaw. Ay! Oh no. Mommy hold. Mommy help you, okay? Oh, Ali, sabaw. Ali! Look! Ah, sabaw.
Take it, but I get stickers. I want this one.
Okay, I will give you. But say properly, okay?
I want this one.
Okay.
The apple.
Say properly.
Apple.
Apple. But you need to eat this first.
I have stickers.
Dad, try my food.
Mommy. Go ahead.
How was it, Dad? Harap, no?
I want chicken. Chicken.
Yummy. Okay. Ay, salamat. Dumating na din ang kanyang food.
Yoshinoya lang ulit.
Ano?
Okay lang. Ito anak.
Sorry. In Japan. 15? Mahal, 15. Ito na lang. Ito. 5 lang. Ito.
Okay.
Okay.
Ito mas malaki para matagalan mo.
Ate Finfin is doing grocery in Japan. How do you feel? Good. We found something. Go. Go, Dad. Go. Go.
No. Close your eyes. I will come.
What do you see?
Whoa! There's a massager!
Right.
Ito na talaga.
There's a massager!
Grabe, no?
Yeah.
Chinelas lang naman yung hinahanap ko, but I found a massager.
Mommy, I found a flashlight.
Put it back.